used car giveaway. Sign up to win a free used car. New to you. We have pens right over there at the table. We have 9 vehicles to give away this evening. Good luck, guys.
I was like, whoa! And I started running, and then everyone started clapping.
I just heard my name, and I started standing up celebrating.
Brought to you by Security Service Federal Credit Union. It's a 20.
I won a Ford Ranger. All I had to do was write my name on a card. It was awesome.
May God bless you. I mean, it's a wonderful experience.
Yeah, and then they're like, oh, you want a car? I was like, no way, dude.
Excited about it. Security Service is an awesome company. I think I opened my first checking account there when I was 15 years old.
And transportation was a big issue, so it will definitely change my life.
I want a Fiat, and I think y'all chose me because I have a bank account with y'all.
Thanks to you, Security Service, and the dealerships, the games, the missions. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart.
I have a car!